This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Don Droke. Enjoy peace and tranquility in this beautiful great room floor plan, well-maintained home in the highly sought-after community of Cedar Creek. This house boasts 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a Florida room, open concept kitchen and great room, newer flooring, freshly painted, new roof in 2023, hurricane protection and more. The 4th bedroom is perfect for a den, home office, workout or hobby room. Enjoy quiet surroundings and beautiful landscaping on the outdoor screened lanai with plenty of room for a grill or outdoor kitchen, table and chairs, lounge chairs or add an above-ground hot tub. Cedar Creek is a lovely gated community located 5 minutes to the beach, minutes to Prado or Coconut Point shopping centers with amenities including Junior Olympic Pool, Kayak Launch kayak to Estero Bay or Gulf of Mexico, tennis, pickleball, playground, picnic area, bocce, hot tub, community room, and walking trails. The sellers have priced this below market value, so don't miss this opportunity to own a solid investment in a great location in Southwest Florida surrounded by everything you'll want to do. The winters average 75 degrees and there are at least 20 golf courses in a 5-mile radius, boating, biking, beach, fishing and only 20 minutes to Fort Myers Airport. For more information, review the details below.